Thrice the brinded cat hath mewed.
Thrice and once the hedgepick whined.
Harpy cries, 'tis time, 'tis time.
Round about the cauldron go.
In the poison angels roll.
Skin of toad and spike of bone.
Sharpened on a needle stone.
Serpent egg and dancing dead effigy of beaten. Let double trouble you bubble in a witch's brew. A fanny snake,
In the cauldron boil and bake.
Eye of Newton, toe of frog,
Back the dawn of dog.
lizard leg and fairy ring. Round about the cauldron sing double trouble you bubble in a witch's brew. Dug at night,
The moon is full and bright.
slip of yew and twig of fern.
The fire dance and burn.
For our will it will be done when the hurly-burly's done. Double trouble you bubble in a witch's brew. Double toil and trouble, fire burn, cauldron bubble. Double trouble you bubble in a witch's brew. Double toil and trouble, like a hell-brought foil and bubble. Double trouble you bubble in a witch's brew. Round about the cauldron go.
The poison angels
Skin of
roll.
toad and spike of bone.
Sharpened on a needle stone.
Serpent egg and dancing dead effigy of beaten. Let double trouble you bubble in a witch's brew. Snake,
In the cauldron boil and bake.
Eye of Newton, toe of frog,
Back the dawn of dog.
lizard leg and fairy ring. Round about the cauldron sing double trouble you bubble in a witch's brew. Root of mandrake dug at night,
When the moon is full and bright.
slip of yew and twig of
The
fern.
fire dance and burn.
For our will it will be done when the hurly-burly's done. Double trouble you bubble in a witch's brew.